actions.
Just wait. Can you see the screen, children?
Yes, bolo. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But my Priyanka.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
There's a problem. Wait, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka, the cursor is not moving. Cursor is not moving.
I love to read books.
Okay, wait. Now it is working. Yeah.
I can write.
Wait, children. Again, I'm showing. Okay, see the action. These are the actions.
Actions.
Keep yourself mute. Keep yourself mute. See. What the boy is doing?
I
I love to read books. The boy is saying that he loves to read the books.
Right बोले लिख भी.
Keep yourself mute. I love to read
I
books.
can
Okay. I can write. The boy is saying I can write. These are the actions they are doing. I play in the park. So what the boy is doing? He's playing.
The park.
I
I
like to sing. The boy is saying sing. This is the action. And then what is the next action he's doing? I dance well.
wait.
I see cartoons on TV.
I see cartoons on TV.
Yes. What the boy is doing? I can run very fast. So what the action is doing?
I
He's
can
running.
run very fast.
I hit the ball. What the boy is doing?
Hit the ball.
I hit the ball.
Hit the
Now
ball.
what the boy is doing? What he's saying? What action he's doing now? I must wake up early.
Early.
I study at school.
I study at school.
My mother cooks tasty food.
Tasty food.
I
I eat an egg every day.
I eat
I eat an egg every day. I drink water.
I eat an egg
I
every day.
clean my room and table.
I clean
I sleep early.
I drink water.
Push the cart to the side.
Push the
Push the cart to close the door.
Push the cart to side.
door.
Close the door.
Pick up
মানে
books
দরজা
from
খোলো।
there.
বন্ধ করো দরজা।
Book from there.
use the words
Hmm?
is and are before the action words which end
Pink a book from tea.
Here what the boy is doing? Here what we have to do? We use the word and is
I love to read books.
word
बोलो।
and with
I love to read
I
books.
am
I
flying
can
a kite.
I play in the park.
The boy is
I
climbing
like
a
to
tree.
sing.
She is kicking the ball. See, after every word, ing is used. Okay. Raj is holding a book. Holding. Okay. Holding. You are doing a good job. You are doing a good job.
Okay.
It is licking a bone. Who is licking a bone? The dog. We are swimming.
They are
They
clapping.
clapping.
They are clapping.
What are the action words? Okay, what are the action words? Flying, jumping, climbing, kicking, holding, doing, licking, swimming, clapping. Okay, and before that I showed you what was the action words? I love to read books. So read is the action, means something is doing. He is reading. Okay. I can write. That means write. Write is also the action word. So he's writing something. Okay. I play in the park. I play in the park. Playing is also an action word. Okay. I like to sing. Sing, it is also the action word, singing. Something is doing, he is singing. Okay. I dance well. I dance well means he's dancing. So dancing is also an action word. I see cartoons on TV. Cartoons, I see means see is also means he's seeing something. So it is also the action word. I can run very fast. So running is also an action word, running. I hit the ball. Hit is also action word. I study at school. So study is something you are doing. You are studying. Okay. I study at school. So it is also an action word. My mother cooks tasty food. So cook is action word. My mother cooks. She's doing something. She's cooking. So cooks is the action word. I eat an egg every day. So eat is a action word. You are doing, you are eating. Okay. I drink water. What you are doing? I drink water. So drink is a action word. I clean my room and table. So action word, something she is doing, cleaning. I sleep early means when you sleep, what you say? I sleep early. So sleep is the action word. You are sleeping. Push the car to a side. Pushing. Pushing is also action word. Close the door. Means that close the door. So when you close the door, you do the action. So close is the action word. Pick a book from there. So you are picking.
Ma'am, may I go to the toilet?
Okay, you can go. So pick is also an action word. Yes, you can go. Okay, children.
Toilet.
Yes, you can go. I said no, go. Don't ask so many times. Just wait. Now see children, open your practice book, all of you. Just open your practice book, page number 14. All of you open page number 14. See this one. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. All of you open practice book, page number 14. Practice book, volume 2, page number 14. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. So what is the first action word here? Listen. The boy is listening to the music. So listen. L-I.
Page number what, ma'am?
Ma'am, page number
Number 14.
Later.
Page number 14. All of you open page number 14. Page number 14. Now all of you keep yourself mute. No one will unmute. Okay. Maintain the discipline. Fill in the missing letters to complete the word.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, key book.
Practice book, page number 14. Open. See, look at the screen here. This one. Practice book. You can look at the screen also. And I'm also showing you. See, page number 14. This one. Practice book, page number 14. Actions. Okay. Just open the action. Page number 14. Follow the screen.
Page number 40. Ma'am, can I go toilet?
Yes, you can go. Rehan, you can go. 1, 4, 14.
Ma'am,
1, 4, 14 actions. English, open. Practice book, page number 1, 4, 14.
in play, beat,
Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. What you have to do? Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. First one, the boy is here. Again, you are asking how many children. Open practice book, page number 14, 1, 4, 14. Okay? Why you are not understanding? See this one, this practice book. Actions, open chapter action and page number 1, 4, 14. Okay? I always tell you that whenever I take the class, so what you will do, just keep the course book volume 2 with you and practice book and activity book together. Always keep with you. Yes, very good, Shruti. You have done. Okay, children. So here what you will do, fill in the missing letters to complete the words. Very good, Janatun. Shruti finished? Very good, Devaditya. Yes, Janatun, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. What you have to do, fill in the missing letters to complete the words. First one is the listen. Second one, wait, I will do for you. Just wait.
Listen, play, pick, read, sleep,
First one is listen.
cool,
Listen.
drink, cool,
Second one is play.
cool.
Play. Play. The action word is play. The third one is pick. 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 Fourth one is read. 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 This one is sleep. 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 Now this one you can see push. 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 The boy is pushing. Okay. Now here the boy is drinking. So action word is drink. Drink. What the boy is doing here? Here he is cooking. So what is the action word? Cook. 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 Okay. Now what the boy is doing here?
To
Pushing. Okay. Again he is pushing. So PUSH. Push. Now what the boy is doing here? Eating.
Ma'am, I can say.
Eat. No.
Ma'am, I can speak.
Okay. No, just wait, Janatun. Okay, now what you will do? Just do this one, all of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Trace the word, all of you. Trace the word. This one, trace the word. All the action words you have to trace. Mute yourself, mute all of you first. Trace the word. Riddhi, finish. Salkeen. Finish, Salkeen. Very good. Very good. Okay, Riddhi. Now trace the word. First action word is very good, Salkeen. Very good, very good. Have you done the tracing? Have you done the tracing?
Thank you, ma'am.
Now come to page number 15, all of you. Complete page number 15.
Can I read, ma'am?
No, complete page number 15 also. Page number 15 complete karo. All of you. Yes. Very good. Page number 15 also you complete. Finish?
complete.
Complete, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Very good, Riddhi. Very good.
हेलो मैम
Yes.
हेलो मैम
Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
अंशु का नहीं हुआ पहला जो कंप्लीट नहीं किया
Okay.
হ্যাঁ ওগুলো কর
Shoaib finished?
হলো
Very
I
good.
am complete.
Ma'am, I am complete.
Okay, very good, Shoaib. Now, Shoaib,
Thank
you
you,
have
ma'am.
completed page number 14, then come to page number 15. All of you complete page number 15 also.
15
All of you trace the action word. Read, sing, run, sit, play. Cook, eat, talk, push, pull,
ম্যাম করাবে
pick, jump, kick, clap, fly. Okay?
মানে ঠান্ডা মাছ দিলাম সেও কম
তো আবার কি
চাউমিন হয় না সাদা বল সাদা লাল সে বলছে
সেই তো দিছে ও
সেম বলে
সেভ না না
Children, don't talk.